Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can use the dictation mode or feature in the Comet AI web browser in 2025. So let us dive into this, guys. So launch the Comet AI web browser on your device. And what you want to do is make sure that your microphone is attached, of course, and also that it is enabled and that Comet AI has the permission to use it. You will see that small microphone icon next to the URL address here in the top left corner, and you may enable or disable it by clicking into it or by using the shortcut Alt-V. And after that, the dictation mode will be enabled. As you can see, it is typing what I'm saying. It's pretty funny, so let me just disable it. And there you go. So that's basically it. You may use it, for example, for that URL address here at the top, or if you like or prefer using that communication box here with the artificial intelligence, like you usually do on other chat assistants like ChatGPT, Gemini, AI, Grok, etc., Copilot, and so on and so forth, you may simply left click into that text field here. But instead of typing, if you don't like the idea of typing, you may use the dictation mode as well and simply narrate or record your prompt, and after that send it to the artificial intelligence. So let me do it really quickly. Click into this button here in the bottom right corner, dictation. Please navigate to google.com. And there you go. Your prompt has been accepted, as you can see, guys. Now, as you can see, I didn't type anything. All you will need to do is press enter. Comet AI will then follow your instruction and execute the prompt. And if you, for example, asked it to navigate to a specific website like google.com, it will do it and open the website in a new tab, because Comet AI is an AI-driven web browser, guys. So that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.